So, inflation just won't cool off, and Wall Street did not like that one bit. Hey everyone, it's Saturday morning, February 28th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital, Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. U.S. stocks sank on Friday after a key measure of wholesale inflation came in hotter than expected, and that really rattled investors. On top of that, Block surprised the market with a major shakeup that brought artificial intelligence disruption risks back into focus. The Dow Jones Industrial Average led the sell-off, dropping about 1% or more than 500 points. The Nasdaq Composite fell 0.8%, and the Standard & Poor's 500 slipped 0.4%. So overall, a pretty risk-off session. Now, even with that drop, the Dow barely managed to finish February in positive territory, up 0.17% for the month, extending its 9-month winning streak. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq fell more than 3.3% in February, and the Standard & Poor's 500 declined about 0.86% for the month. Investors were also dealing with ongoing worries around private credit, and fresh concerns that artificial intelligence could disrupt entire industries. Those fears intensified after Block's co-founder, Jack Dorsey, said the company plans to cut nearly half its workforce due to artificial intelligence-driven productivity gains. Experts say that kind of move raises big questions about how fast this technology could reshape the job market. In corporate news, Netflix shares moved higher after the company dropped its pursuit of Warner Bros. Discovery. That left a rival bidder linked to Oracle to clinch the Hollywood studio deal, which gave that stock a boost as well. On the macro side, January's producer price index rose 0.5% month over month, above expectations of 0.3%. Core producer prices, which exclude food and energy, jumped 0.8%, also well above forecasts. So, inflation pressure at the wholesale level is clearly still sticky. Looking ahead, Berkshire Hathaway's Chief Executive Officer Greg Abel is expected to release his first annual shareholder letter this weekend after taking over from Warren Buffett. That could give us fresh insight into how one of the world's biggest conglomerates sees the road ahead. Alright, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again Monday morning for more market updates. See you then.